Hi, this is Pauline. I have attended Angie's BodyTalk Fundamentals seminar without any prior knowledge to the BodyTalk system. So the seminar was delivered over 2 weeks and the contents covered were way more than what I've expected. But Angie's made it very easy to understand and we have lots of opportunity to ask questions and practice. So BodyTalk system is a holistic healthcare system, so I've always been interested in supporting the health and well-being of myself and my family in a holistic approach. So Angie has shared many of her personal stories with us, and with her many years as an advanced certified BodyTalk practitioner and her vast experience in teaching, we could ask her any questions, and Angie would always be happy to share her insights, and we've always have very detailed answered back from her. I've enjoyed Angie's gentle teaching style a lot, and she has been very supportive throughout my journey. And now I have the opportunity to use BodyTalk on myself and my friends and families to help to support their health. So if you are interested in health and well-being like me, for yourself or your family, I would highly recommend you to take the BodyTalk Fundamentals seminar with Angie. Thank you.